June 24th, 2011. We are here at Charlottesville Airport, and His Holiness and two attendants just coming right now, maybe in 10-15 minutes. So we are all very much looking forward to welcome him here.
Come up with the salsa.
Very best wishes to you. Good.
So this has been a wonderful experience, His Holiness visit here at the Serenity Ridge Ligmincha Institute. And during his stay here, it was also nice that we were able to practice outside, do the teaching inside. We had so warm feeling and his wonderful teachings that he have given to us, and also the initiation of Sharabchama with all the transmissions of practices that we have been doing here. And particularly the Three Doors graduation, which is a three-door graduation, is a very important part of my project, and which is some really like trying to bring a quintessential, the essence of the teaching into more everyday life, so that many people who wanted to practice, who's not necessarily Buddhist or Bön, not interfere by that. So last number of years, a group of students had been practicing, studying, and so this was a very good, wonderful opportunity for His Holiness present be here for their graduation. The last time when he was here, he did a groundbreaking ceremony for our Garuda building. So this time he planted a tree right front of that building. So it was very, very nice.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
And so this time, His Holiness, when he was here, it was a great opportunity for hundreds of people around the world to have opportunity to hear him, receive blessings from him. And I think it was his first time a live webcast teaching doing. So it was a wonderful experience also for all of us.
For the future, it's very important. And then now,
like antique pieces nowadays, these antiques are very, very valuable. And
the Karistan Pompo de Shamni Jig to Negatiada. Fair Nato, Ingoto, Gasu, Yola.